Hi, this is Yan and welcome to Yan's channel. For today's video, I will teach you what is computer ethics. Computer ethics refers to the good values and attitude towards the computer and with other people who are using it. It is very important to know the rules on how to use the computer wisely. The 10 Commandments of Computer Ethics. First, you shall not use a computer to harm other people. Never use the computer as means in giving harm to other people by killing their files and destroying it. Second, you shall not interfere with other people's computer work. Never look at your classmates' computer, work, or activity. Respect their work as their personal property. Third, you shall not snoop around in other people's file. Never read your classmates' documents without his or her permission. Fourth, you shall not use a computer to steal. Never get files of other people without their permission because that is stealing. Fifth, you shall not use a computer to bear false witness. Never use the computer for bullying or making other people look bad. 6. You shall not use or copy software for which you have not paid. Never steal software or download software which you did not pay for. Buy software with license. 7. You shall not use other people's computer resources without authorization. Do not use your classmate password without permission. 8. You shall not copy other people's intellectual output. Never get the ideas of other people and claim it as your own work. Create your own. 9. You shall think about the social consequences of the program you write. You are responsible for whatever you write or creating using the computer. 10. You shall use the computer in ways that show consideration and respect. Respect other people you deal with in the computer. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.